Our feast today, ladies and gentlemen, will be a gentle feast. No squabbling over the champion's portion. Do you hear that, Garage? For that will be distributed evenly. No war of words amongst the women either, and that's not a criticism because the men were out actually fighting and killing. The women, well, they had a war of words instead. Aharja, Brickaroo of the evil tongue, even he of the evil tongue said on days like this, louder to me a whisper than to others a gulder. In Aonach Mhacha Aharja, we will bring like-minded people together to promote our language in creative and innovative ways. We are all, at this very moment, each and every one of you, hurtling through what John O'Donoghue called the anonymity of space at 67,000 miles per hour and rotating away time at up to 1,000 miles per hour. So we need attraction offered by places like Aonach Mhacha so that we might have the courage to walk on air against our better judgment, as Seamus Heaney suggested, to take risks, to be innovative. Although Aonach Mhacha Aharja is of its time, ultra-modern, we hope to be informed by the wisdom that is crystallised in our ancient Gaelic tongue. What James Hillman, who spent many, many years and months drinking and writing down what people like Patrick Kavanagh said, what James Hillman called our ancient incubation. We will be aware of the revitalising breath of our Gaelic ancients in our words today. For are not many of the problems facing society in Armagh and across the globe connected, at least partly, into an all too sudden break with our traditional wisdom? We need to slow down. We need to revisit our ancient ways. Not all our ancient ways, but like Phineas Farsage, taking the finest parts of all those languages at the Tower of Babel, we will take the best of our ancient wisdom and make it available to all here in this fine city of Armagh. The Irish language will continue to grow as we collectively strive to strengthen it and give expression to all its rich heritage. But the truth of the matter is that we can't do that without adequate resourcing. Is that strong enough? We invite all who enter Aonach Mhacha to connect with our linguistic and cultural past in the all-important present. For a cup of tea, for a chat, to buy a wedding gift from Mary's shop, to speak some Irish, to learn some Irish, to attend a lecture, or to become a much-needed volunteer or a business sponsor, offering us a lift as we get up and running. That would be very much like financial philanthropists helping cultural and social philanthropists like Aonach, Garage and Ciaráin. Ard Mhacha will be of the people, for the people, always, in all ways. Regardless of creed, class or colour, there will be no bosses. Do you hear that, Garage? Except Aonach. A simple, old-fashioned co-op model. Our promotion of the Irish language and its rich heritage here is likely to have less in common with theoretical approaches much favoured these days, more in alignment with that of the Joe Steve O'Nyachtan approach, the Martin O'Kine approach, are those who set up Ciaráin in 1953 to do the work the government said it was going to do, and then subsequently brought Ciaráin to here to Armagh. Ahas ar an ghuil Anton O'Killen, Réamonn Ciaráin an seo, agus Cathairleach Ciaráin Pádraig Chiara. We align with giants such as Pádraig Buil Heason Shin. Giants from this area like Monsignor Réamonn O'Murray. We align with people like Aidan McPauline, nach Marin, Taroisha, New Whalen Shaw. We align with people like Linda Irvine, who have striven and continue to strive to dispel irrational misconceptions about our beautiful, poetic, ancient yet modern language. And do this, ladies and gentlemen, in the same way that light does not attack darkness, but replaces it. Our 20-year strategy for the Irish language will be to continue the work of those who have gone before us and are here with us today in a deeper way. We will strive to realise that their breath is in our words. We thank the known and the unknown instructors, and of course the people of Armagh who have helped us weave our dreams together until this morning, the 6th of March 2020, when we woke up to open the doors of Aonach Mhacha, our cultural centre, our cultural cathedral, between the other two cathedrals, when an intriguing and new chapter begins. In his short, and I emphasise short poem, William Butler Yeats said it this way, and this is a message for Shan, Aonach and Garroge. In his poem, 88 years ago, William Butler Yeats said, "What they undertook to do, they brought to pass. All things hang like a drop of dew on a blade of grass." Guramaig of a carja.